Today's big question is this: are nostalgic trailers dead? Well, honestly, I used to think so. And I have to say, I've never been a huge fan of the typical teardrop shape until I came across a trailer that completely changed my mind. Now, I first saw the Roadrunner Teardrops at Overland West earlier this year, and I'll just come out and say it. I was absolutely blown away. Now, these are the kind of trailers that stop you in your tracks. They've got this classic look that takes you back to the golden era of road trips, but packed with modern features that make them truly trail ready today. So if you're someone who appreciates nostalgia and real craftsmanship, well, stick around. I've got something special to show you. Alright, before we get into all that, look, we put these videos together to help you make educated decisions on various different products and whatever it may be. If you find some value with this video, I sure would appreciate you hitting that like button. It really does help with the whole YouTube algorithm. And also, while you're at it, consider hitting the subscribe button because, well, doing so means that you're going to be front row for more outdoor gear-related videos, just like the one you're about to watch. With that said, well, let's get to the good stuff. Alright, so let's kick things off with what makes these Roadrunner Teardrops different from every other teardrop trailer out there. Now, for starters, these are handcrafted right in the US, actually out in Arizona, and you can feel the pride in every corner of the build. They're inspired by vintage teardrops, and I thought that was pretty stinking cool. Brought into the 21st century with solar power, smart storage, and off-road capabilities. But for me, it goes deeper than that. You see, my grandfather was a boat builder. He passed down to me the love of woodworking, furniture making, and an appreciation for craftsmanship in general. And when I first saw the Roadrunner Teardrops booth at Overland West, I felt that same spirit. Now, these aren't mass-produced trailers. They are built with care and attention to detail that honestly is quite rare these days. The cabinetry, the finish, even the layout, it all just works. It's classic but functional, beautiful but rugged. It's the kind of camper that doesn't just take you places, it makes you proud to own it. Now, I know what you're thinking right here. What specifically does this trailer offer? Well, let's find out. Now, these trailers have a rock-solid foundation, which we all know is critically important for the longevity of the trailer. Roadrunner Teardrops are built on a heavy-duty 2x3 steel tube frame. It's the type of frame that's ready for off-road use. Now, add in a standard leaf spring suspension and full-size spare tire, and you've got a trailer that is ready for off-roading as much as it is for highway travel. Now, as far as looks go, well, the exterior is finished in an anodized aluminum for durability and timeless aesthetics. It's low maintenance and it frankly looks fantastic out in the sun. But what really makes the exterior special is the Ironman 4x4 awning and awning room, which actually comes standard. Now, you can deploy it quickly and turn your trailer into a fully functional base camp with interior and exterior living spaces. Now, up on top of this here, you have integrated solar panels that help harness the sun to power your adventure, so you can keep your lights on and your fridge cold and devices charged all without plugging this thing in. It's a huge advantage if you're like me and enjoy camping way off grid. Now, inside, you're going to find thoughtful touches everywhere you look. The cabin features 2 entry doors, now, which is great for couples or anyone who doesn't want to crawl over another person in the middle of the night when nature calls. Now, you also get comfortable 4.5-inch trifold sofa mattress that is easy to convert into a bed. And the interior lighting setup is fantastic. LED recessed cabin lights paired with gooseneck reading lights make the space feel comfortable and functional. Now, there are USB and 12-volt plugs in there as well, so charging your phone or running small electronics is easy. Now, you even get pass-through cabin access so you can reach your gear in the galley without having to go outside. Now, this is hugely convenient, especially during bad weather. Now, speaking of the galley, this is one of the best parts about the trailer. It comes standard with a 18-inch cook partner stove. Now, you might know that I love to cook, so take it from me when I say this is a huge quality cooking setup. There's dedicated storage for pots and pans, a cooler fridge slide with a 12-volt power port, and a LED recessed galley light so you're never fumbling in the dark while making your dinner. In other words, this efficient galley allows you to do everything from boil water to make coffee to prepare a full meal. In case you're wondering, water needs are covered as well. You get a 20-gallon freshwater storage tank. Now this is more than enough for a weekend getaway and even longer trips if you're careful. Now altogether, this setup makes the Roadrunner Teardrops perfect companion for folks that want to go further without giving up or compromising comfort. So back to the question, are nostalgic Teardrops trailers dead? Well, honestly, if you asked me before Overland West, I might have said yes, but after spending some time with the Roadrunner Teardrop, I realized something important. Nostalgia isn't dead. It just needed a little refinement, a little jumpstart, a little craftsmanship, a little passion. Roadrunner Teardrops have taken that vintage style and elevated it to a whole nother level. With modern amenities, smart design, and unmistakable handcrafted touch, they created something truly special. Now these trailers are home off-grid or at RV parks or everywhere in between. I mean, they are truly the perfect blend between old school charm and modern capabilities. Now, if you've been looking for a teardrop trailer that actually feels personal and not something that just rolled off of an autonomous assembly line, this might be the trailer you've been looking for. All right, friends. Well, that's all I got. Hey, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, give it a big old fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what your dream trailer looks like. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, well, that's all I got, brothers and sisters. So with that said, until next time, stay adventurous, and I will see you out in the trails.